Assalamualaikum, this is Mubashar Mughal, and the one liner of this session is how to dress up for job interview. We know that first impression is the last impression. Our outlook is so important. Whenever we dress up and dress up properly, we will look so beautiful. The people will think about that whatever we are speaking in front of them. But the first impression is our dress, our personality. So we must have to dress up and dress up properly, this is for sure. And especially when we go for the interview, we must need to wear professional dress. So first of all, we have to know the nature of that job. If we know the nature of that job and we know the environment of that company and we met some of employers of that company, it's mean that we know a little bit about that company, and so we can dress properly. But if we don't know about that company, then we have to dress generally, in general way. But the basic thing is we must have to wear whatever we want to wear. But we must have to be comfortable. If we are not comfortable with our dress, it's mean we are not confident and we cannot do our best in front of that people. So we must have to be comfortable. Choose your clothes which suit you and give you confidence. In general, mostly people wear suit. So what we have to wear and what will be the color of that suit? I think the more acceptable color is sky blue, or you can say light blue. And my recommendation is that wear whatever you want but be comfortable. But if you want to look professionally, then wear a suit, and your suit color should be light blue or sky blue. Your tie, your coat and your pen should be light blue or sky blue. You can also wear gray color. So next question is that what will be the color of our shirt? I think shirt color should be white. Your suit must be clean and fit. Do not wear loose clothes. Do not wear loose shirt, loose pant. Wear a proper tie, a proper dress, a proper pant. Do not wear jeans because it is too much casual. As someone said, you can have whatever you want if you dress for it. Wear that dress in which you feel comfortable. But remember one thing, do not wear stylish shoes, do not wear stylish tie. Be simple. Be simple as you can, because you have to attract that person. So for attraction, be simple. Do not wear too much stylish things like your belt. Your belt should be simple because your dress shows that how much committed you are for that interview, for that job. Do not eat too much before going that interview, or do not smoke before going for the interview. Here remember one thing, do not wear new clothes at the day of interview. You can buy new clothes, it is not an issue, but you have to use almost 2 or 3 times before going for the interview so that you feel comfortable. If you are going for an interview and you are wearing new dress, you will not feel comfortable. Your outlook, your personality is very important when you are going for the interview. So use your dress properly and wear the suit, the clothes in which you feel confident. I hope that you will learn a lot from this session. If you like this video, then please share it and do comment and ask me through comments. Also tell me about more ideas about this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.